Hey guys, Mike here. I was watching Voyager Ratchet's video of him doing his review of FLC Grimlock Blindfolded, and I was thinking, hey, that'd be a good idea. I should try that. So I'm going to transform a Transformer blindfolded, see if I can get through it without losing my brain. So, yeah, here we go. Alright, here we go. There it is. Doing Ratchet. And do Ratchet. Okay. Let's see here. Still see some light. I don't want to see any light. No light. There we go. Okay. You can see it. Okay. And there. What's the next thing? Yes, there we go. I'm figuring it out. Okay. This is kind of an easier one. I don't know. Should have picked a harder one. I don't know. I was going to do ROTF Prime, but that would have been ridiculous. That would have been like an hour-long video of me trying to figure it out. Blindfolded too. That would have been ridiculous. Okay. Alright. I think I'm getting ahead of myself here. Alright, so. Okay. Okay. Wow, I'm ready. Dude, pigs found a hole. Good job, pigs. Okay. Yeah, this is one's really easy. I thought it was a little bit more difficult. Let's see here. Let's see here. Arms. Can't remember which way the arms go. Come on. Come on! Oh, okay, let's bring that up here for right now. Oh, I can't find that. Being a pest. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. Bring the doors out. Got that door. Got that door. Okay. Let's see here. Is that him in there? Is that him in there? Okay. Bruno's in here. Wow, I can't get these doors into place. Am I doing something wrong? I can't even see what I'm doing. Wait a second. Okay. I think I got it. I think I got it! Easier. Yeah, I think I got it. Voyager, oh no, I didn't get everything. Forgot those damn panels back there. Oh well, came close enough. Man, that was fun. Yeah, it was super fun, kind of super easy. Should have chose a different one. I forgot that he was kind of easy to transform, but I didn't want to make the video too long, you know what I'm saying? So, Ratchet without his weapon, of course, because I can't find the damn thing. But, can you transform a Transformer blindfolded? Can ya? Can ya? See you guys later.